Alright, hey guys, so second video for K-Truck today for me, and we're back with another stock car that goes in stock for ATL JDM. That's a 1983 Honda Acty K-Truck. This one is 5-speed, 660cc, and has air conditioning. This one has had quite a bit more done to it. For example, rear brakes were bad. We had to replace drums. Then tires were bad, so it's got new tires. Air conditioning was bad, so it needed I think it got a new compressor, or a bit a rebuild compressor, and recharge and everything. I think that's pretty much it, and all the usual oil change, checking also it and stuff like that. Let's get over this one. As you can see, body wise it's not too bad. There are some little bumps and marks here and there. The bumper could reuse just a repaint, just sanded and repainted. Really, that's the main thing. The door has little marks. See, that is just the light here. The bed is pretty damn clean. Rare in such good condition. Here we can see that there is some rust issues at one point. It's been fixed, but could be done better. So if you were to be willing to redo it, that'd be best. But overall, just really good condition, really. Been repainted over some marks and bumps that it had before, but it just looks pretty good. Pretty good overall. You can see underneath no rust on the rails or anything like that. This door always closed. You can see little marks, scrapes and stuff here. Up. Yeah, you can see that interior is door panels, a little bit faded, contrary to the dashboard, which is very clean and nice. But yeah, door panels do fade over time on Actys. That's unfortunately the issue. Roof liner and paint on there. A little bump just here, as you can see. What else can I go on to with? Yeah, not much to talk about really. Just an honest little K-Truck that will be road legal in most states. Most of them. I mean, some states are a bit more of a pain in the butt than others, but you will be granted registration in most states. Just look into it before. There is a few that will not. But yeah, overall, nothing heavy was thrown on that bed. Just the door, Need little bit of rust repair right there. But overall, very minor. I guess we're gonna go for a little test drive now. There's not much else to do, so the engine is warm. It's not a cold start, unfortunately, sorry about that. Kind of forgot about it. Alright, let's go for a test drive. Alright. Just all the time I hope for more space, for my legs, but no. If you want to know, I am 6'2", so I'm not exactly small. It's 188 centimeters for non-American people. A little bit smoother, a little bit nicer than the first one. Overall, definitely another K-Truck. There's not much to sell. They all drive the same. There's going to be some really minor differences, like suspension of the other one being harsher than this one, and little details like that. But it is very, very minor. So really not much of an issue. I'll wait are made for one person only, and that is the tire. So I try to make them somehow a little interesting. I mean, the roads are going to be pretty boring considering that, well, today I have 5 videos to do, 5 photo shoots. I do not have much time to go really far on nicer roads, even with cooler cars. So yeah, fortunately I have to keep things simple. Shifts really nicely. Overall, like for the mileage, which is like 147,000 kilometers, which is about like 90,000 miles, something like that. It's really good. Drives really well. Definitely been taken care of, cosmetically at least, mechanically at least. Even though you've seen that fourth gear U-turn was asking a bit much. Steering is nice, no weird noise. Radio. Shortwaves only, and radio works. That's a good thing with shortwave radio, noise for copyright programs. It's just like baseball games, basically, that they comment. Only old people into baseball listen to this kind of thing. And that's good because usually only old people into baseball are driving old Honda K-trucks and K-vans. So it does fit perfectly the people driving those trucks and vans normally. Like more modern ones, it's usually everybody, but when you have like K-truck from 1993, it's almost 30-year-old, it's starting to aim at certain people that they bought it brand new in 1993 and they just like kept it all this time. A little bit less, can I say, into spending, like Japanese today, which is like extremely capitalistic society, where they just like want new stuff all the time. But the older generation tend to hold on to things a bit more, which is why you have like lots of hoarders also among old Japanese people. They also like keep their good old car. If it's working, why do you want to change it? I can't say that I disagree. Yeah, you can park like pretty close. Now we still have like just to see like if we are like, it is like close. Let's just see how close it is. Again, just trying to keep the videos somewhat interesting a little bit. Still pretty far. I had quite a lot more room. All right. Yeah, well, as usual, if you have any question, just let us know in the comments. And till next time, bye bye.